Your lab reports is not the finish line. When something looks abnormal on a blood test, the instinct for patients and doctors alike is to fix that number, bring it to normal range as fast as possible. But that's not always healing. Sometimes it's just a math. The body already knows how to heal itself. When your body is functioning the way it should, your lab reports follow. The numbers come back to normal on their own because the underlying problem is not resolved, not just masked. That's real recovery. But many doctors take a different path. They prescribe drugs specifically to move the number, to force the report into the normal range. The body didn't heal, the report just changed. And those drugs comes at a cost. Dependency creeps in quietly. You take the medicine, the number stays in the range. You keep taking the medicine, stop it, the number shifts again. Now you can't stop. And often over time, side effects begin. New symptoms, new prescription, a new cycle begins. Lab reports are a tool, not a target. They exist to help diagnose what's wrong and track how treatment is progressing. They are meant to guide the journey, not define the destination. Chasing a number on a report is not a cure, it is management. There is a difference, and that difference matters enormously for your long term health. Start homeopathy before it's too late. Here is something most people learn the hard way. Homeopathy works best when the body still has strength to heal itself, when years of drug dependency have already taken their toll, when the body is exhausted, the organs are overburdened, and the damage runs deep. Homeopathy has far less to work with. It can still help, but it cannot perform miracles on a foundation that has been worn down for decades. So, you start homeopathy at that stage and don't see the results you hope for. Understand this. That is not homeopathy failing you. This is the consequences of waiting too long. Don't blame the homeopathy. Don't blame the homeopath. Don't blame the medicine. Start early while your body can still respond fully. Real cure looks different. Real cure is when your body has no longer need external support to stay balanced. Real cure is when you wake up free of medicines and your reports reflect a body that has genuinely healed. That is the standard worth fighting for. This is Dr. Yogita Bhirud, founder of Mindwell Homeopathy. Thank you for listening. Namaste.